Okay, so background story. So I was able to move out of my old place. I definitely had to move out because it was the end of my lease. But then I wasn't able to move into my new place because it wasn't ready. So I had to wait 2 weeks. 2 weeks before my new place was ready. And so during this time, I stayed with my friends. I'm in my friend's house right now, and I'm so grateful that she let me stay here. So that's what I've been doing for the last 2 weeks, and now I'm finally able to move into my place. So I just got the keys to my place. I just got the key. Okay, this is wrong. Anyways, I just got the keys to my place. And so this is actually my room, and I'm so excited, and I'm moving in tomorrow. I am so freaking excited. So I have things stored in 3 freaking different places because I just put things in different places. So I have some of my stuff here, some of my stuff at 2 other houses. So we'll have to go and like pick stuff up at different places because I just like asked people if I can keep my stuff at their place, and thankfully they said yes. So yeah, I have a lot of stuff to pick up. So what I'm gonna do is just grab a U-Haul and then go to all these different places, pick all my stuff up, then go straight to the new place and just move in. So the new place I'm moving in is completely empty, so I had to buy all my furniture and have everything ready. So it's a lot of stuff. But I recruited a lot of my friends, and I'm so excited that they're here to help me. So yeah, let's head over to U-Haul to grab a truck. Let's do this. Everything in this house, and we're moving on to the next house now. Alright, so we just got to the place. I'm so excited to show you guys. I'm gonna do an empty apartment tour before we start moving everything in. But when you come in, you see this like beautiful long hallway. I just love this. And then on this side we have the pantry here, and then we have the kitchen in here. So it's like a small cute kitchen. I have the stove and all of that, fridge, yep. And so yeah, so when you come out of this now, you just keep coming down this way, and then you see the first bedroom. This is my roommate's room. I love the 2 windows, it's so pretty. And then that's her closet, and then you keep coming down the hall again. There's just one long hall. I love this. Is my room. I'm so excited. This is my room, my one window, and then my closet is here. I don't really have to see that. And then here is like the bathroom area. There's actually like 2 full closets here, so much extra space. And then this is the bathroom. And it's like really nice because it kind of has like a New York City vibe. I love this arc. It's so pretty. So yeah, and then after the bathroom, thank you so much. So the next door here is my second roommate's room. So that's what it looks like. Because I have 2 roommates, so we're gonna be 3 in the apartment. Yes. And then this is the living room. I am so excited. So I love the windows. It's so pretty. It's one of my, I'm just really excited to move in here. So freaking excited. It's so pretty. Oh, you got the view. How do you guys feel? Is this comfortable?
Yeah, it's very comfortable.
Very comfortable?
Let me give you guys some I need some privacy.
That was a whole 5 seconds.
Oh, no,
that was a whole 5 seconds. Like,
I ain't gonna ask.
That's all it takes. That's all it takes.
get on the freaking roof. Like, what? That's crazy. Alright, so we're fully moved in. I haven't I don't know what they're laughing at, but I haven't moved in. We just set up the couch. So it looks like, and there's a lot of stuff everywhere. The boxes are here. Also in my room, I just have a lot of stuff that I need to unpack. Oh, she's on the phone. But I have a lot of stuff. I have stuff in my room that I need to build my bed and everything. So, woo! That was really hectic and it was a lot of stuff to do. But I'm happy that I'm finally moved in and I can set up my room. I'm gonna be doing another video on my whole room makeover, so wait for that. I'm so excited to be here finally. So freaking excited. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys. Have an amazing day. Peace and strength. Bye guys.